Jeez, not even a little wee. Oh, one.
Hey, there we go.
Boom.
That's what he does, cats. So lift him to it. Scotty's been take a ticket. He's unpopular, so I reckon I could set up a GoFundMe and be like, does anyone want to take my apartment? Yes.
$2.50 max bet there, Australian rights. Unfortunately, NZ rules. I'm guessing 50 is
Dominic,
$2.50.
welcome in. YouTube, hello, all the way from Canada. How are we doing? What's time over there? Must be like Saturday morning, maybe? Finally, Jason, I know, right? Show us one more.
Bing,
My
bang,
back.
bing, bang, 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 bing. You're playing those bloody songs all the time.
Yeah, you know, Kim has last name. His t-shirt. Who sings that song?
Aye.
How does it go again?
I don't know.
Thank you.